In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a line of best fit using Google Sheets. We'll walk through the simple steps together, making it easy for you to visualize trends within your data. So, whether you're working on a school project or analyzing some numbers at work, knowing how to create a line of best fit can be incredibly useful. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your Google Sheets document and locate the data set that you intend to analyze. Once you've found it, click and drag to select all the relevant data points. This selection forms the foundation for your scatter chart and will guide the rest of the process. With your data selected, direct your attention to the top menu, click on the Insert option, and from the drop-down menu, select Chart. This will generate a default chart for your data, but don't worry, we're going to modify it from here. After inserting the chart, a chart editor panel should appear on the right side of your screen. This is where we'll make the necessary adjustments. Start by ensuring the chart type is set to a scatter chart. This type of chart is ideal because it allows us to see individual data points and observe any patterns they may form. Once your scatter chart is in place, switch from the Setup tab to the Customize tab in the chart editor. This tab gives us more flexibility in tailoring the chart to our specific needs. To add the line of best fit, we need to work within the Series section. So go ahead and expand this section to display its options. As you explore the Series section, you'll find an option to add a trend line. This is what will give you the line of best fit. Simply check the checkbox next to Trendline, and you should see a line appear across your scatter chart that best represents the overall trend of your data. To take it a step further, if you scroll down within the Series section, you'll notice a checkbox labeled Show R at 2. Enabling this option will display the R-squared value on your chart. The R-squared value is a measure of how well your data points fit the trend line, providing a numerical representation of its accuracy. A value closer to 1 indicates a better fit. Finally, if you're interested in the mathematical equation that represents your line of best fit, there is a drop-down labeled Label within the Series section. Select Use Equation, and the formula for the trend line will be displayed on your chart. And with that, you now know how to find a line of best fit in Google Sheets. Armed with this knowledge, you can gain deeper insights into any dataset you're working with. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.